Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning into my channel. In today's video, I had a request to do a flip through of my mini Happy Planner system. So we'll get started. This binder, I hate to show something that's so hard to find, but I picked it up at TJ Maxx. I will have the name of it printed above in this video. You can also purchase it at Target, but at Target it only comes in peach and turquoise. The black I happened to find at TJ Maxx. Yeah, so it's been a little hard to find, but I love it because my mini is an on-the-go planner, so it kind of just goes in and out of my bag, or it can also just kind of park it on my desk in my kitchen. It originally had 2019 on the front. I just used some nail polish remover, some acetone, and it came off in one swipe, and then I just added a decal on top. Okay, and then on the inside, I just kind of put some cardstock, and I had a little adhesive pocket so I could kind of put some cute things in there, change that for the seasons. Another die cut, an ollie clip, and then another little pen loop I purchased off of Etsy to hold my pen. And in this planner, I have the Mom Mini, and I have Franken-planned it, and I'll kind of show you what other planner I'm kind of using in it. But this planner did come with the metal discs. They're black, and then this is the real pretty #MomLife cream with black polka dots and then the accent of gold. On the inside, I attached the Mom adhesive pocket, and right now in there I just got the little post-it notes that came in an accessory kit that I purchased. And then I just went through my vellum stash and found some vellum and kind of put a little sticker on there for my initial. It's just like a fun little vellum overlay. And then on the title page, I purchased this decal off of an Etsy shop, and I will link her shop below. I think it's pronounced Biggle Bean Studio. She has all kinds of fonts and colors, and so cute. Okay, on my yearly, what I do is I track my school's days off, or my boys' schedule from school. So I only have the remainder of this school year. And then I did the last day of school. The pink one is my oldest will be graduating from high school, so I'm having a difficult time with that. But so I typically just do their school schedule here. And then I have the folder where I've just kind of got some stickers in there. And then this is where I have Franken-planned. I purchased 2 of this planner, and I have redated October, November, and December. So in October, typically what I do in my months are I track holidays, bill days, paydays, birthdays, and that's pretty much it. I leave all of my task scheduled appointments to my weekly spreads. So that is my monthly. And then this was the first spread I did for October. 1st of October, it was my birthday week, and my favorite color is teal, so I kind of had fun with that, and then I just used a lot of functional stickers. And this week I did what we did for dinner up there. Then the second week, I kind of left it with the Supermom theme, and I thought I would do gratitude up here, and as you can see, I didn't get very far. So that was that week. And then this was last week, and what I did here, again, I was going to do meals. As you can see, I didn't fill it out. For next week, I think what I'm going to do is just put a quote or a sticker box up there, just to add some more decor. But I love the size for functional planning, because that way you can kind of keep it to functional stickers in the mini size. I also used this as a weekly plan or meal plan. And then I had the little bookmark. And what I did for this, I have monthly, this week, and I have budget and notes. These came from an old Planner Society kit that I still had, and I liked the gold, so that's how I labeled my sections. And then, like I said, I will start planning for this week. So that is October. And then in November, I went ahead and planned my monthly. Same thing, bill days, paydays, birthdays, holidays. And then we'll go into November. And then in December, I did the same. I just went ahead and completed the year. Where I'm going to start Franken planning, though, is in the new year. I am going to be using the Mini Happy Planner Girl Gang. So I store all of my inserts in this one. But what I'm going to be doing is I loved the dividers in that. So for going into 2019, I went ahead and did the yearly. I just thought that was so cute. And then I'm going to take my divider. I love the currently page from this planner as well as each divider. So I'm going to be Franken planning and using the monthly. And then when I get into the weeks of that year, I'm going to use the mom setup. So that's why I just temporarily I have it paper clipped, but I'm just going to use my Tombow adhesive tape runner and zoop zoop. It'll be easy, and then I won't have to have the paper clip. But I just loved the dividers in this planner. They were just so cute. They just were very seasonal. So I thought I wanted to use those. So anyhow, that's what I have there. What I pulled out was I made myself fun little card to hold my favorite pen and pen loop. I kind of made a little pocket on the front, and then it's got some more fun paper on the back. I just took 2 pieces of cardstock, taped some vellum on it, ran it through the laminator, then used my X-Acto knife and slit that so I could have a pocket, and then added some decals. And that way you've got another little bookmark and a place to hold my pen. So that was, yeah. So I've just got the month of January in there, and then I'll start putting in my weeks. Then we move into my budget section, and what I've got here is from the Supermom. I've got a plastic envelope. And in my budget section, what I'm planning on doing here, this is the new budget planner extension pack for the mini size. And I love this one because I also use the extension pack for the budget for my classic. But this didn't have weeks. So it's really neat. It just has your monthly spread, and then it has these expense trackers. And what I'm gonna do is log my expenses starting in November, because I just picked this up, for the month of what, it's mainly things for my hobby, to be honest. So if there's one thing I've learned is if you log things and trying to hold yourself accountable, it's a little bit easier to say, hey, Susan, you don't need to be buying that, or etc. So that's how I'm just gonna log them in here. So that is that. And then the last section is my notes section. And again, these dividers, well, I say that one. This one was from Supermom, that's from Supermom. And then this one was for Supermom. This was an old one from just for the mini planner. And here I've just got all kinds of mini note paper because this planner is on the go. That way if I have to jot something down, grocery list, I've got it. And this whole planner just slips right there into the back. So it's perfect. Now that I say that, there we go. So yeah, that is my setup. I will also be filming my plan with me for next week, but so far so good. I had been using the horizontal layout in the Mini, but I found that I was just using stickers to fill up the space, whereas this, again, like I said previously, really helps just to use quick little functional stickers and yet get what task or scheduled appointments that need to be done on there, and I still have room. So it's working out pretty good. I'll keep you guys posted. But if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. And again, thank you for joining me. And if you like this video, please don't hesitate to like it and subscribe. Thanks so much. See you next time.